So this is the 3188XX control station, and the frame connects it. So the entire thing is all in one. Once you take it out of the box, you'll connect in the cable, so that connects the reel onto the control station, and then there's another cable that connects the control station to the monitor. And then once you do that, you turn on the power, so it says power button. The light will turn on, and then the light will turn on from red to green. And you'll know that because the screen will change to thank you for using this product. And it will take you to the main camera. So you'll be able to see the camera, and you'll be able to see the screen here. So once you have this screen turned on, you'll plug in your USB here. It says USB, so you know exactly where it is. And then on the screen down here on the bottom right, there's an icon that'll say USB has been connected, and you can test this by pressing the menu button on the control station, the blue one here. And that'll set you to the main menu, and you can click OK, and then you can look at the previous videos on the USB. And to go back to the main menu, you press exit, and exit again. And this is the main camera. So when you do want to record, you just press the the record button, which is also the up button. You click that, and then on the bottom left, it'll start recording. And then you can turn the camera this way, and you just pull it out. And then it'll also show you the footage as well. So it's 1.3 feet. And here on the buttons, you'll see you can change from the footage to meters as well. So now it's 0.4, and you can also reset it. So it goes back to 0 wherever you are. And then if you want to take a photo, here you press here, which is right also the down button. And then you'll see on the screen that a photo was taken, and you can continue recording. And then if you want to stop recording, you just press exit, and you'll know that it's off because the recording will stop. And then if you want to go and find the video that you just took, you click the menu again, you click video, you click OK, and then you can find the date, and you click OK, then you'll see the video and the photo. And you press OK, and then it'll play the video that you recorded.